Today we're gonna make some buffalo chicken jalapeno poppers, and you only need 4 ingredients, just a rotisserie chicken, some hot sauce, cream cheese, and look how big these jalapenos are. Anyway, I got this at the store just now, and I could not help, but as soon as I opened it, I was supposed to wait until I start the live to start picking at it, but can anybody else relate? Like, when I take the lid off that rotisserie chicken, I just start shoving it into my mouth. Like, I can't, it's so good. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is just add our chicken to this bowl. And I'm gonna try and eat the skin as I go. This is probably gonna get messy too, but whatever. Like, who else eats the skin? All right. Yes, Lizzie, it is 100% the best part. All right. I think this is enough, because we're only doing 4 jalapenos. All right. This is cool. Oh my God. I have to eat this part though. Hold on. Not from Costco, but Costco does have cheap rotisserie. I have to stop eating this. Costco does have like $5 rotisserie chickens, which is bussin'. Someone said leave the seeds, and it's true. If you want it to be super, super spicy when you make jalapeno poppers, do not de-seed them. I am going to de-seed them. Right, Anna, you want me to de-seed yours, right? Yeah. I'm a vegan. Can I sub for something else? You could stuff jalapenos with like grass, like tree bark. I don't know what vegans be eating these days. Okay. And yeah, you go to Costco for a $5 rotisserie chicken, but then you leave spending $500 on things you don't need.
That's how they get you.
Yeah. Yeah, last time we went to Costco, I needed collagen and salmon, $60. We spent like $350. By the way,
It's easier if you just take 2 forks.
Oh, and just do it with 2 forks?
Yeah.
I'm almost done. And I kind of want the chicken to be thick. But yeah, you're right. You can also use a hand mixer to do this. All right. And the cream cheese should soften just by putting it in here. And this is a trick. Get a pair of scissors and just go boom, boom, boom. And then go skadoop, boop. And then there you go. Okay. And now we're gonna add our buffalo sauce.
Look at all the cream cheese you left behind, though.
Yeah, that's true. That's like how I do avocados too. Does anyone else just...
You could, like, roll it.
You know what? You know what I should have been doing? Cutting the chicken with these scissors. I just spent 5 minutes literally wasting time when I could have just used these scissors. That is crazy. Okay.
You just put the aluminum foil with that.
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Oh, you're saying I shouldn't touch the chicken if I cut it with foil. I've honestly eaten aluminum foil before. So like sometimes when I cook in our air fryer or whatever, we like place a foil like on the tray or whatever. And if stuff gets stuck to the foil, sometimes I'll just say screw it and like I'll take a bite and there'll be a little foil in there. I think it's okay. All right. Yummy, yummy. I just purchased your book. I love it. Hey, thank you so much, Diane. All right. Would you say this looks good to start stuffing?
Yeah.
Anything else I should add? Like anything cool?
Um,
Seasonings or anything? Like paprika, salt, pepper?
maybe like pieces of shredded mozzarella.
Ooh, I was thinking shredded cheddar, but mozzarella would be good too. Both?
Well, yeah, you could put a little bit of mozzarella in there, just like a little bit, and then
Top with cheddar?
top with cheddar.
Okay, good idea. So we're gonna put some mozzarella inside of it.
Just a little bit.
Made my first tortilla pizza tonight. Yum, Morgs. I'm so happy to hear that. If you've never made pizza on a low carb tortilla, it is astonishingly better than making fathead dough. Like, fathead dough will never even come close to being as good as pizza on a low carb tortilla. All right, now we're gonna start stuffing these jalapenos. I'm gonna take a bite of this. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna de-seed them with like a little measuring spoon. Okay. Made your Big Mac pizza off the charts. That's another favorite. I actually had somebody send me a picture of like a Big Mac quesadilla that I need. Shout out to Jen that I need to make. What's your favorite brand of low carb tortilla? Mission Flour are so good to me. Is that your favorite, or do you like the spinach ones you've been eating better?
I feel like I like the spinach ones because they're a little lighter. Which ones have more carbs?
I think they're similar in carbs.
Yeah, and the green one's bigger.
Yeah, that's a
You
plus.
get more surface.
It's hard when I make Anna these breakfast wraps.
You can do it with a regular spoon and it'll be so much easier.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that plastic little thing is where I'm going to do it.
It reminds me of this like melon thing you put inside of like melons to get the seeds out. My mom used to have. But yeah, I don't think it's strong enough.
Yeah, and don't touch your face or anything because don't go to the bathroom without thoroughly washing your hands.
Yeah, I've had an incident like that before. It was terrifying. I thought I was gonna die. Okay. All right, so we have our jalapenos like this. Now,
Look at all those seedlings stuck in there.
oh, do you want me to like
No, it's
seriously?
okay, it's okay.
Because I like the seeds. Like, if you eat a few seeds, it gives it a nice kick. The problem is if you leave them all in there. Like, one time I ate, this barbecue place gives you these smoked jalapenos, and they're just filled with seeds. And one, what were you
Oh,
gonna
yeah,
say?
that's a lot of seeds.
Do you want me to just get a napkin and like...
And he puts this inside the...
Well, I think if you're making buffalo chicken, it would be a good
And
idea.
look, what is this?
I'm just gonna take a bite of this while she does that.
Oops. There you go. Maybe you should get a new foil bin because there was like a ton of seeds in here.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're scared of heat.
I'm not. I just don't. These are very
Guys,
spicy.
She claims to have been born in Peru, but I think I'm more Hispanic than her.
You wish. You ready?
All right, there we go.
Also, yeah, okay. This one. I goofed this one up. Okay.
Thank you. All right, now we're just gonna stuff them like this. Wait, Donna, I didn't see your other comment. What did you say about Emacita? Muy caliente. Yes, Maui. Very hot. All right. Do you think I should do a better job like packing it in or just kind of... Yeah. All right. Oh, Emma is very Peruvian, yes. Okay, here we go. Now, we're going to sprinkle some cheddar on top. Do you think diet soda is acceptable on keto? Diet soda is fine. All right. So the problem with foil is the cheese sticks to the foil and it's annoying. I should have put parchment paper down, but it's okay. I like putting parchment down because when the cheese sticks to it and you're done cooking, you can like peel it off and eat it. It's so good. Okay, here we go.
Everyone's saying bacon.
Oh, sprinkle.
If you use bacon, just don't. I don't want any bacon on mine.
Okay. It's funny you say that because I was going to add bacon to the mix, but I started thinking I don't think you will want bacon on yours.
I love bacon just like by itself. I don't like anything like just added.
All right, and guys, this bag of bacon is broken. It like doesn't close. So how long do you think I have before it goes bad? Okay.
Yeah, if you have more chicken, put a dollop of it on the jalapeno piece that broke.
Oh, good idea. Yeah, we have a lot of chicken. Okay. I'm just gonna eat the rest of the chicken while we wait for this to cook. So you guys are saying put the bacon in the fridge, in a Ziploc bag, or in the freezer. But someone said something I really like, which is eat it all tonight.
Do we have ranch?
Yeah.
We do?
Oh no, we are out of ranch. We have honey mustard.
Ew.
Wait, why?
Maybe some crema on top.
Ooh, yeah, that would be good.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a rotisserie chicken here. I'm just gonna cover it up and put it in the fridge. By the way, guys, we are shooting the cover for the cookbook tomorrow. And that's like the last step that I really had to get done before it's time to like get like in the process of releasing it. Okay. Did you want to pick it this rotisserie chicken or just put it in the fridge?
No.
Does anybody watching want to pick at this rotisserie chicken before I put it in the fridge and let it get cold? There's something about a rotisserie chicken that's like fresh and warm that's 1,000 times better than reheating it. It's like, it gets gross to me when you reheat it because the weird fat like jellifies.
Solidifies.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, blue cheese, yeah. All right, guys. I'm just gonna eat the rest of the chicken, the buffalo chicken. Someone said feta cheese.
Ooh, or goat cheese.
I love goat cheese so much. Wait, leave the jalapeno stems on?
Yeah, I feel like that's sort of preferences.
Oh, true. They make non-stick aluminum foil. All right, I'm throwing stuff in the sink. I just bought jalapeno peppers. Wait, you can get pre-picked, like pre-shredded rotisserie chicken at Costco? That's amazing.
Is that like a special item you have to...
What?
Is that a special item you have to ask for?
Yeah, is that special, Donna? Yo, I love the AHA. It's so good. Right, Elect? It's the best. It's the strawberry cucumber AHA for anyone asking. But the pre-shredded rotisserie chicken doesn't have skin. Ooh, the Valentina on top of the jalapenos. That could be good.
Grandma and Valentina.
Mm-hmm. Someone said, I can't watch you eating. It grosses me out. So for people who leave comments like that, I'm actually, I got a message. This is a true story. I got a message from OnlyFans. They want me to create an account. And for the people who comment, they don't like watching me eat, I'm going to make exclusive videos that you can pay to subscribe and see where I eat even more like sloppy without a shirt on.
No.
So for anyone interested, I know the people who comment that me eating grosses them out are the people who enjoy watching it the most. So that's why I'm doing the OnlyFans, just for them.
How long do they have to be in the air fryer?
Just until the cheese melts.
Yeah.
Probably like 5 minutes.
I don't like mine burning.
All right, I can sit down and reach the dishwasher. So I'm just, bless you. So I'm just gonna put this in the dishwasher now. Would you guys rinse this out before putting it in the dishwasher? So when we go out to eat, I do not eat like that. I've tried, and Anna kind of puts a stop to it. But I mean, anyone would. Like if you're out to dinner and with someone you're trying to impress, like my lady friend, you're not going to eat that way just for her sake. Because when you guys are sitting there at dinner, it's like it's different when you're in person, you know? One time I did shrimp and smoked Gouda inside the poppers and nobody noticed the difference. Wait, what do you mean?
I love Gouda.
Yeah, that actually sounds good. Make street tacos tomorrow. What does that mean? So I always thought you had to totally wash. Eirik, is the Gourmet air fryer any good? I think all air fryers are pretty much the same. So I'll never forget this. I was at a hotel in 2017, and like housekeeping came in while I was in there, and they were doing the dishes. And the person who was loading the dishwasher was just taking the food, like with like, they weren't even touching, I mean, they were taking the dishes like that just had food on them, like bowls of like stuff with food inside of them, and just putting it in the dishwasher. And I was like, well, if this person does this for a living and they're not washing out the dishes before putting them in the dishwasher, let me just do that. And then ever since then, I kind of have just like let myself just not care about like washing out dishes before loading the dishwasher. But for the people who said it's bad for the dishwasher, I will say when we get the house and we like buy a dishwasher, I'm not going to treat it that way. But since we're at an apartment, it's like whatever. Yes, Christy, we have some jalapenos in the air fryer. I can smell them. I should probably go check on them. Oh my gosh. A little longer. The cheese is like not ready. It's not quite melted. Yeah, I get it. We should respect we should treat this dishwasher like it belongs to us, you know?
Do.
I don't like...
We do. I soak dishes and stuff.
Yeah,
before I put them in.
I'm not saying we take like a bowl that's like filled to the top and just throw it in the dishwasher.
No, not at all. We've never done that. That's why we have a garbage disposal.
But I'm saying like when I make a bowl of my yogurt with chocolate collagen and I eat it and finish it, I just put it in the dishwasher. Like the bowl I just showed you. Like that's the stuff I do. I'm not saying that like you should like just drop a rotisserie chicken in the dishwasher, you know. I'm a landlord, you're evicted, buddy. Well, speaking of like, we had this washer problem for the longest time. And I do think it's different. We live in like so there's like something also like this. Like if you're renting a house from somebody, I think you should be more respectful of the dishwasher than if you're at an apartment complex with 2,000 units, you know, which is like our situation. So it's a little different, but
I just want to make it clear that we are respectful of...
yeah, we don't
do anything weird.
Yeah.
You're making it sound like we just like throw chickens in there.
Well, I was just saying, like, we are going to be more...
Okay, yeah, like...
more
I'm not
careful.
gonna use dryer sheets.
Yeah, like, we're going to just be a little more careful with things when it's our house. Oh, true. So if you own the apartments and you have tenants who are doing that, it's just a tax write-off for you. Good point. Eric, what are the benefits of collagen? Collagen is good for your hair, skin, and nails. I'm not saying your hair is going to be as beautiful as my luscious locks, but I don't even know if collagen does anything for my hair. I had fine skin before keto even. I just got lucky genetically, I guess. And my nails do grow pretty fast. My toenails grow at an alarming rate. It's very crazy how fast they grow. Let the dogs lick the bowls before putting in the dishwasher. Yeah, like this buffalo chicken bowl. All right, the poppers are probably ready now. All right, what do you guys think? What do you think?
I feel good.
Longer or are they good?
No, I think they're good.
Okay, guys. I'll show you under the camera. All right, I have to remove somebody from the live. Hold on. Okay. Oh, yeah, look at those. All right, let's put them on a plate. I wonder if I can get them with my hand. If you practice bad habits now, you will carry bad habits to your house. That's a really good point.
We don't have any bad habits.
I know. Anna's like very, she doesn't like bad looks, and maybe...
It's not that, it's like, we don't do anything strange. Yeah, sometimes your yogurt like gets a little dry in the bowl once you finish it, but that's like the worst of it.
Yeah, but...
You made it seem like we put like whole entire like beef casseroles in the dishwasher.
Yeah, but I like it. It's like more comments, you know, which means more people will see this video, which means more people who might have diabetes and want to reverse it could possibly change their life and add an extra 20 healthy years to their life. That's like the thing about upsetting people on my page is like, it only tells Instagram to show my content to more people, which only increases the chances of it reaching somebody who really needs it to turn their life around, which only makes me feel better when I go to sleep at night because I'm like it's like my life's purpose, you know? Okay. Because like the person who's upset about me like not rinsing a bowl of yogurt before putting it in the dishwasher is much less important to me than the person who's on like 7 different medications and needs real help in their life, and my page can help them do that. Okay. Oh yeah, I'm gonna snap a quick picture. These look pretty good. Yes, country kitchen. That's what life is about. It's like there's so much negative stuff. And I'm negative in a lot of ways. Like sometimes I am negative, like off camera. But in general, whenever something bad happens, like there's always a good side to what's happening. Like there's no bad thing that happens that doesn't have an opportunity to be good. There's a cool book called The Obstacle is the Way that talks about this. How like people turn crappy situations into opportunity all the time. Okay. Oh yeah, this looks bussin'. All right, let's eat. Should I drizzle crema on top and take a picture too? Yeah. For everyone saying sour cream, I had sour cream, but it expired in January.
The crema will be good.
Yeah. All right. I'm going to put Anna's on a separate plate. I've never made my own ranch, but after making this...
What do you mean?
What?
What do you mean? Of course we've made our own ranch several times.
Oh, yeah, we have
Oh
Anna's
my
ranch
God.
recipe. I'm saying I've never made my own, like, Hidden Valley, like, buttermilk ranch dressing. We've made, like, special, like, cool ranch, but we've never made, like, the classic buttermilk ranch.
Yes, we have.
Not buttermilk.
Not with buttermilk, but...
That is, like, my-ish, buttermilk, like, ranch.
do have a, maybe you should repost that one day on your page, the
Oh,
recipe.
yeah, good idea. Maybe I'll do that while we're in Cabo next week. Okay. Shelly, if the scale is not moving, I would track your inches. Sometimes the scale is deceiving, especially if you're tracking over the course of weeks and not months.
But if it's her first 3 weeks on keto, maybe she's eating too much fat or too much cheese, you know?
Or not in ketosis at all. Maybe you're like underestimating. Yeah, we're going to Cabo. I'm so excited to show you guys the trip. I just ordered your book. Hey, thank you, Michelle. I'm gonna keep it keto for like half of the vacation. Last time we went to a resort, I just went carb crazy and I gained like 8 pounds. Sister Airstream, I do. It's right here. It's called Breaking Up with Carbs. You can get it on Amazon. I got your book. Hey, thank you, Donna. Oh my God. Caroline, we have been to Tulum. It was my first time ever leaving the US. We went last year around this time for my birthday. So I don't feel sick when I eat carbs, but some people do. And if that's the case, I don't know that it's worth it. So Gamma, you can also make these without an air fryer. You just bake them at like 400 for like 15 minutes, 20 minutes.
I think the mozzarella inside of the chicken was a nice touch.
Yeah, adding the mozzarella is a vibe. I think Cabo is like different as far as which is prettier, Cabo or Tulum. Tulum was a little too like party town for me.
We've never been to Cabo. We'll let you guys know.
Oh my God, this is so good. His book is on sale now, just saying. Thank you, Caroline. Yeah, guys, it's usually 33. I think right now it's 22. We have like 2 more bites. If you can't handle spice, you could do barbecue chicken, jalapeno poppers, and just use sugar-free barbecue sauce. I wouldn't recommend eating whole grain oats. But if you have like a bite, I don't think it would be enough to kick you out of ketosis. All right, that was so good. We're gonna get spiritual up in here. Wow. All right, let's go get Harley. How many carbs were in the quarter pounder without a bun? I didn't change my facial products. I think the other day my skin just looked funny.
Stop.
All right. Yeah, if you don't like jalapenos, you could do bell peppers for sure, or the mini bell peppers even. All right, time to get spiritual. All right. Oh, temita. All right, guys, let's get it. Yo, Lord, please be with anybody who is struggling on their keto journey and help them realize that they have the power to change their eating habits. Thank you. Thank you for bringing this amazing community together. We are so blessed to have each other. And most importantly, thank you for giving us life, because every day we wake up is truly a blessing, and we should never, ever take that for granted. Amen. All right, Harley is really antsy tonight. All right, breathe in feelings of gratitude. Hold it and feel your body relaxing. Breathe out any stress or negativity. Breathe in feelings of inner peace. Hold it and feel your body continuing to relax.
She's got this like eye thing that's really bothering me.
Breathe out any tension or anxiety. I can't get it. I've been touching jalapenos. Breathe in feelings of self-love.
Me too.
Hold it and feel your body continuing to relax. Breathe out any self-doubt or negativity and remind yourself that you are beautiful and you are worthy of reaching your goals.
Ew.
So somebody who's been saying mean things, like bad things during the live, actually said something kind of funny. They said, "What the frick is that creature?" It is a chanchita. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. I love you. I'm shooting the book cover tomorrow, by the way, so wish me luck on that. What do you guys think? Does my facial hair look okay tonight, or do I need to trim? So I went to Great Clips, and the lady trimmed it. Shout out to Great Clips, been holding me down since I was like 16. But what do you guys think? Should I just... Anna was like, she didn't like how they trimmed it. I'm kind of... I don't know. I feel like they left my mustache a little too long. Do you guys think my facial hair looks okay for the book cover, or should I trim it even more? And just kind of like... Just like run a... just like trim it all the way down.
No, you cannot trim it all the way down.
Looks okay, you look great, looks good, looks fine. Okay.
Yeah. If you trim it down, you'll look too...
Young. Yeah. I'll expose my real age. Guys, I'm only 17 years old. Yeah, Jewel, me either. It's like, it's a little, I don't know. All right, guys. I love you. I believe in you. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a blessed night. Harley is not okay. She is suffering from a disease called very, very, very hungry at all times. So send prayers her way. She watches me cook, and it's like torture to her. She's just so sad because I can't give her all of the food I'm eating. And she sleeps, she dreams about food, she wakes up, and it's not time to eat. It's just very hard for her, her life, because she just has that illness where it's just food, like at all times. So definitely send prayers Harley's way. It's very heartbreaking to know she lives with that, you know, but we love her. We're doing the best we can to take care of her, just trying not to enable her. And yeah, all right, guys, I love you. I believe in you. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a blessed rest of your night.